Hello everyone. We will start with the new topic which is list. Lists are more powerful than string. I will show you the example of list. Shoes, socks, bag, books, pen, pencil, belt, uniform is the shopping list. Right? So we will take it as our first example and I will also show you the difference between list and string. We could store this list of items using variable. So this is example of string. My cart is equal to in single quote shoes, comma socks, bag, books, pen, pencil, belt and uniform. Now we will print the output. Print in bracket my cart. Now you will get the output of these items, but we can also create a list. Here if you see these items would look like written as a list. This is the example of list. My cart is equal to in square bracket we are putting the same items shoes, socks, bag, books, pen, pencil, belt and uniform. We will now see this output. Print my cart. So it will display the same output like the string. So creating a list takes a bit more typing than creating a string. But list is more useful than a string because it can be manipulated. For example, we can print the third item in the my cart. So what is our third item in the list? If you go back and check the third item, it is a bag. By entering its position in the list called the index position inside square brackets like this. Print in bracket my cart in square bracket we are putting its index position which is 2. So here we have just put square bracket and the item number. We are putting 2. Now the question will come why we are using 2. As it starts from 0 means from displaying first item you need to put 0. So for third item you can enter number 2. Now we will see its output. It will display the third item. Here it is a bag. So our output is printed as a bag. We can also change an item in a list much more easily than we could in a string. So instead of books, we can change the item like notebook in that place. Here is we how do that with our list. So we are using a bracket at the item number which is 3 used for fourth item. My cart in square bracket we are putting 3 is equal to notebook. Now we will print and see the output. It will print the output like this. Shoes, socks, bag, notebook, pen, pencil, belt and uniform. So we changed the item from book to notebook. Now what we will see like printing the item number from 3 to 6. So how can we do it? You can use this command to get that output. Print my cart in square bracket writing as a 2 as to 7 is the same as saying show the items from index position 2 up to index position 8. So list can be used to store all sorts of items like numbers. So in this example a is equal to in square bracket 1, 2, 5, 10, 20. we can also use string like this. B is equal to, in square bracket, mango, apple, orange, pineapple. So we use here a single quote, and it can be mixture of numbers and string. So let's use two variable. C is equal to, in square bracket, a comma b, and will print C. Now the output would like numbers and string. So if you see this output, it will display 1 to 5, 10, 20, comma, second list, mango, apple, orange, pineapple. Now we will see the next topic, adding items to a list. To add items to a list, we use the append function. Append function is a code that tells Python to do something. In this case, append adds item to the end of the list. For example, to add a watermelon to the list, do this. B dot append, in bracket, watermelon. Print B. It will now print like this: mango, apple, orange, pineapple, watermelon. Now we will see another example. B dot append, in bracket, grapes. Print P. It will now print it like this: mango, apple, orange, pineapple, watermelon, grapes. So you see, we added watermelon and grapes at the end of the list. So in this output, we are adding the fruits in the list. It is very easy to add the fruit or any number using Python command.